Hey traders, Tyler here with another watch list review for you. Let's jump right in. Today we're going to start off with Salesforce CRM. So we had a big two up day on Friday, one consolidation, finished with a red candle on Monday, and then we had a little two down pullback today, but it turned into a green candle, mostly body. We are red on the week at 252, which is about $1.50 above where I'd be buying in tomorrow. But this has been on just like a bender this year, really green, even actually the last couple of years or last year and a half or so. But yeah, just like this nice green channel, I think it's going to get up and touch this high again. So I might look for a good leg in here, depending on what it does tomorrow morning. Check out the price action, see if we can get a good entry going to the bull side. But that's why we're watching for Salesforce. Next up, we've got FedEx. FedEx again, nice and green. Last year and a half or so, we had this nice green move up. We're coming into the holiday season, which is always good for retailers and shippers, I think. But yeah, so we've had a couple big green candles the last 3 or 4 days. We had this nice green candle today, but a bit of consolidation with that completely inside candle. And so yeah, we'll be looking to see if the bulls can continue the push, if we can break out of this consolidation from today. I'll try to jump in and take some profit up, break this high, and see where we can go from there. It looks like we can get at least maybe 75 cents or so to at least match this high from Monday. Next up, we've got the Gap. Again, like FedEx, retailer going into the holidays. It's been on a bit of a green tear the last couple weeks. So looking pretty strong at the moment. We had this red 2 up small candle on Monday, another smaller candle with a pullback 2 down, but it did finish green, almost a hammer. Actually, that's probably a hammer, I think. But anyway, so we'll look to get in as we break this high around 2090-ish, and then we'll look to make a new high for the year and break above this 2113. But worst case, we'll probably pull some profit out of that 2113 mark. Next up, we've got Intel. Intel's had this big pullback the last couple days. So we're pretty far in the red, 43, 44, and we'll be looking at like a 42.5 breakout here. I don't love this trade. I might end up canceling this alert and not even watching this one. It doesn't feel like it's moving up that strongly. I guess the trend is upwards. I just worry that it's not done pulling back. But with Christmas, purchases for the holiday season, I don't know, it's a tough one. But the red scared me away. But you could potentially look for a move going up, or even I want to look for the continuation down. I'm not sure how long that'll last either with some of this other green. Yeah, it just looks like it can't make up its mind. We're not sure where the trend's going, which is why I'm going to try to stay out of this one. Next up, we have Samsara. Samsara had this nice gap up on Friday, big green candle, another 2 up yesterday, and then a 1 consolidation today. We'll be looking to break out of that consolidation around the 315 mark, and then look to 3515, and then looking to take this high 3569 and potentially push up to 36 if we can get that move. That's what we're looking at with Samsara tomorrow. Next up, we've got KKR. This one's been really strong about the last month or so, month and a half. Just really good moves up most days. We had kind of some pullback the last couple of days. This red, it was a 2 up, but big red candle, and then a 3 that had strong, big gap down prior to open, finished as a 3, 1 consolidation today, and so we'll look to see if we can jump in on the breakout of this consolidation and maybe look to push new highs, get back to this 83.90 from a couple of years ago, or towards it at least. Next up, we've got MongoDB. So MongoDB, it's had 3-1. This 2 kind of just wicked up above here, and then another 1 that is inside of this candle. So it's, for the most part, we've had strong consolidation here. So we'll be looking for continued breakout back up to the upside. So yeah, I forgot to set alert for this one, but I will be looking to get in somewhere around here. It actually might have already gotten popped. Oh no, this one, oof, look at that. Earnings after hours, and it dropped about $22. So it looks like this one will end up opening, I don't know, way down here. 21-ish, 11, yeah, right around here. So won't be playing this tomorrow, it looks like, but we might get a good play in on that towards the end of the week. And next up, we've got Monday. So Monday has been making some good moves up the last few weeks as well. Had a little bit of chop the last 5 days or so, with some continued consolidation here. It is kind of like a hammery type candle, so I'll be looking to see if it breaks this in the morning. It might. This spread is huge, so might end up breaking that sometime tonight, tomorrow morning, before I get up. Who knows? But if we can get in on this one, we'll look to maybe hop in around 182, 183, 182.86, 183, and look to top off at this high from Monday. Next up, we've got ServiceNow. It's been having some good moves up. It's 2 up candle on Friday. Then we had 2 down green candles. So it seems like the bulls are still kind of really pushing hard on this one. They just haven't been able to keep the momentum going. But I'll be looking to see if we can break out of this slump a little bit. Like, our week's still green, our month's still green. So it's still all signs go for buying this one. 689.50. Look to see if we can get a break out of there and then get back up to 693, 694 area. Look to see what we can do there. Next up, we've got ROKU. And ROKU has had some good moves up, a couple strong pullbacks here. We're in the middle of one now. So we had a little broadening Monday, some consolidation today. So we'll look to see if we can break out of that consolidation, maybe take back over the top of this broadening candle, and then get back to some of these highs of 107, 108. Look to take profit around that level. Next up, we've got ROST stores. ROST has got, the last couple days have been 2 up greens, had a 1 consolidation, kind of little pullback day today, finished as a hammer. Definitely think this has more steam in it, so I think we can hop in around this level, take that up, and look to at least match, maybe overtake this high of 133.68 or so. Next up, we've got SOFI. SOFI has been super choppy. Holy moly, the last couple weeks, for a month and a half, or a month, I guess, so. November, October. But yeah, a lot of chop. We're kind of back up to this kind of trend line here. Kind of topping off there again. So I'm a little nervous buying in here, just because we've kind of been trending down around this level. Yeah, I don't know. I could buy in, see if we could get, I don't know, what is that, 805 to 9 cents profit. But red quarter, we're kind of at the top of this line. I will probably be passing on SOFI tomorrow. But if it looks like it might make a strong move, we can always hop in and see if we can come up and touch this high, match this high somewhere around here. Grab 20 cents out of the market. I don't know. Unlikely. Next up, we've got Spotify. Generally been green, uptrendy, very, very good the last couple months. We did have this big gap up to start the week, and pulled back quite a bit yesterday towards the end of the day, and then kind of pushed back up throughout the day today. We could look to get in as we break today's high and maybe push back up for another $1.50. Reclaim this high, maybe push for a new high. But yeah, I'll be looking at the volume, the energy, price action around this level tomorrow, and see if we can find a good entry to get higher there. And last but not least, for tomorrow we've got SPY. SPY's had this obviously really strong run, 45 points or so. Nice big green day on Friday. Kind of a green, almost shooting star yesterday. Finished as a 2 down, and then we had some 1 consolidation. So this is like nice little pullback, green pullback here. I like those. So I may look to take the break out of this 457.40. We're still right around this level at the moment. So yeah, we can look to take this as it breaks out of 457.40, and then try to reclaim a couple of these highs from the last 2 days, and getting to that 460-ish mark would be awesome. So that's what we'll be looking for tomorrow. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas you're watching. Otherwise, good luck and enjoy your trades.